How to hard reset Huawei Nova 14 Pro.
Step 1. Activate the power options by pushing the power key for around 2 seconds.
Step 2. From the shown menu, select the power off function.
Step 3. Then, tap on the Touch to Power Off tab to accept the process. Further guide is available in the description below.
Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.